if you already have WordCloud Image, but still number 1 on 1 grade. Do these 4 easy steps. Before you start, print file contents to see if the file contents look correct. Then apply 3 methods. 1. Isalpha. 2. Lower. 3. Split. Then print file contents to see if look like this. Then write codes for removing uninteresting words. Then print file contents to see what's like. If looks correct, write codes for frequencies counts. Then print frequencies to see if look like this. If yes, go to next step to get image and should get 1 on 1 grade.